So our first task will be to draw a fictional room in one-point perspective, just using our imagination. For my students, we're going to take 3 class periods to do this. The first one, you're going to get an idea of the basic architecture, where the back wall is, where the horizon line and vanishing points are, and how we can then slowly build out. The second lesson, you'll start adding more doors and windows and different architectural elements. And then the third lesson, you will add all of the remaining detail. If you haven't watched my Introduction to One-Point Perspective video first, please stop this video and go back and watch that so you know what to do. For your task, you're going to be trying to draw a room from your imagination that has linear perspective, 1-point linear perspective. And you're going to start by drawing a tunnel. You will have a horizon line in the middle of your paper, and you can choose a point to be your vanishing point. It doesn't have to be right in the center. The next step is that you will draw the tops and bottoms of your walls. These will be diagonal lines that will converge on the vanishing point. Now, they don't have to go to the corner of your paper. Mine don't. The main thing is that they go to the vanishing point. The next thing you will do is choose a place to draw the end of your tunnel or that back wall. Make sure the walls are straight, vertical, and that the roof or ceiling between the tops of the 2 walls is level right there. So you're just drawing this shape right there. So I like to draw freehand and then shore up my lines with the ruler later. You can choose to do whatever method works well for you. To change the shape of the room or the tunnel, you can use horizontal lines to make hallways or just change the outer perimeter of the room. There are tons of great YouTube videos that can show you how to draw floors. From wood floors to tiled checker floors, whatever you want, it's out there. But all the lines have to go to the vanishing point. The tops and bottoms of windows and doors will go to the vanishing points, while the verticals will remain vertical. Now's your chance to add your creativity and your own special touch by adding details. You don't have to shade, but you can go a little crazy with this part. Have fun.